Hi friends, today we are going to start our new topic Autodesk AutoCAD tutorial for beginners. So in this playlist we are going to deep dive on AutoCAD software. Let's subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. This topic is very useful for engineers and upcoming engineers. So now we are going to start today class introduction. So basically AutoCAD. CAD means computer aided design. That AutoCAD was first released on 1982 December month as a desktop running app in microcomputer with internal graphics control. The final stable release AutoCAD 2023 was 25th March 2022 with 14 languages like German, French, Hungary, Spanish, Korean, Chinese, etc. The file format of CAD is DWG. Normally known as DWG format is drawing file, DWT is template file, DWS is standard features file, DXF interchange file format, and variants of AutoCAD is AutoCAD LT, AutoCAD mobile, and AutoCAD desktop app. Now we are going to see about user interface. Once you open AutoCAD, it's look like this only. So topmost left side, its application bar is there. Next to application we have a quick access toolbar. Next to quick access toolbar we have a title bar. Bottom of title bar we have a ribbons. Next to ribbon we have a start tab, file tabs. In right side top we have a view cubes, and we have a navigation bar in right side and canvas control in left side, and bottom we have a command line, and next to command line we have a status bar and workspace switch menu bar. Next we are going to see about shortcuts. AutoCAD basic shortcut keys. For new file we can use Ctrl plus N for new files. For open previous project we can use Ctrl plus O. We can save the file pressing Ctrl plus S. We can plot the file using Ctrl P. You can preview the file using PRE command enter. You can cut the file, cut the objects using Ctrl plus X. You can copy the file Ctrl plus C, and you can paste the file Ctrl plus V. So match property is MA. You can close the file Ctrl plus F4. You can exit AutoCAD using Ctrl plus Q. So next we are going to see draw file. For line you can use L. For ray you can use ray command. For polyline you can use PL. For 3D polyline you can use 3P. For polygon you can use POL, and for rectangular you can use RAC. For arc you can use A. For circle you can use C. For spline you can use SPL. For ellipse you can use EL. To creating block you can use B. point the point, you can use PO. For hatch, you can use H. For gradient, you can use GD. For region, you can use RAG. To create boundary, you can use BO. To create donut, you can use DO. Now we are going to see modified commands. For erase, you can use E. Again, copy command, you can use CO. For mirror, you can use MI. For offset, you can use O. For array, you can use AR. For moving the object, you can use M. For rotating the object, you can use RO. To scale the object, you can use SC. To stretch the object, you can use S. To trim the object, you can use TR. Extend the object length, you can use EX. Break the object, you can use BR. Chamfer the object, you can use CHA. Fillet the object, you can use F. Explode the object, you can use X. Next, format. For properties, you can press MO or Ctrl 1. Select color, you can use COL. For layer, you can use LA. For line type, you can use LT. For line weight, you can use LW. Line type scale, you can use LTS. For list, you can use LI. Dimension style, you can use D. Rename the file, you can use REN. For option, you can use OP. To set unit, you can use UN. To set limit, you can use limit. For zoom, you can use Z. Zoom all, you can use Z, enter, A, enter. Pan, you can use P or your scroll button. Clear skin, you can use Ctrl plus O. Command line, you can use Ctrl plus 9. For UCS, same UCS you can use. For single text, you can use DT or T enter. For multi-line text, you can use MT. To edit text, you can use ED. Snap object, you can use OB. Dimension, you can use dim. Horizontal dimension, you can use HOR. Vertical, you can use VAR. For ortho, you can use F8. For snap, you can use F3. For polar, you can use F10. For grid, you can use F7. To switch on or switch off. Ortho, you can use F11. Snap, you can use F9. So we are saw about shortcuts in AutoCAD. So in upcoming videos, we can see each command and how we have to draw the or use the command and all. In upcoming videos we can see. Thank you.